Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will talk about the how you can apply for InnoData as a role of book validation or the other rules available. So you have to first fill this form for the registration, and you will get a mail within a 1 or 2 days if you are shortlisted. So basically, they are hiring for a book validations or a different other roles also. So it's basically you have to do, there will be the sub prompts, you have to the responses. So basically it's about the AI Gemini work. Okay, so you will teach in everything in a meeting, and you will get the other videos and documents and ppts and on classroom. You will get everything before the starting. Okay, so let me first start the process. So first you have to fill this form, and you will get the one mail for the interview. So don't worry about the interview. It will take hardly for 10 to 15 minutes to check your background, your communication skill, and the normal about your language expertise. See, here is the asking primary language and secondary language, so it's a very crucial factor about in interview. Okay, so be careful and filling this. And if you have any queries about the resume or other, so I will definitely help you as a free. You can DM me on a telegram. And one important thing is that a lot of people asking you are taking a charges. It's If you are asking to clear the assessment, so definitely it's not a free. I'm not helping to clear the assessment. It's a very time consuming, and also it's taking the lot of accuracy. So why I will give the free time to you? Definitely I will charge for the clear the assessment. I said will help you the clearing the will help you in the assist the exam until the interview and everything. I said not to clear the assessment. Okay, yes, I get many negative comments and also on telegram, so that's why I'm clearing this. Okay, so now moving to the next step. So I will share this link in my the description. You can access directly. Okay, so after filling this form, you will get the mail. Okay, so I'm showing this what exactly. So this is one of the projects, red teaming prompt. So I have qualified for this. See, here is my the Marathi language. So here it is. I shortlisted for the Marathi task assessment. uh, so here is everything is mentioned: guidelines, training videos, Google form. This is the prompt, and this is the definite definition. So you should have to be careful while filling the G form and the test. Everything it's mentioned, so don't about that. Okay, so now moving to the work, exactly what they are doing. So you will get the one classroom link and Microsoft team link. They will update you by time what's the task and everything. Okay, so this is the done. I have completed. This is the final assessment of the red teaming. Okay, so basically I'm giving you the one overall idea. So I'm showing. So they will share the one Google form. So I already submitted. So it's the basic one about the videos. It's not a difficult task. Here is the final assessment. Okay. So this is I submitted my the final assessment. So I cleared this. You can see all the what I selected and the what's the prompt. Okay. So now here is to discuss the main what you are to do. Okay. So here is the prompt. Okay, there is the complete introduction, what you have to write in the prompt, and your answer include revised prompt, English translation, and brief explanation. So all this point you have to remember, and you have to make a one prompt that all covering these points. Okay, so here it is the prompt. Okay, so here is the another second one. You will get the prompts like the local, adaptation, caste, and class context. So so by using this topic, you have to create a prompt that cover the class context and caste. Okay, so after creating a prompt, so you have to copy the responses from Gemini, and there will be the 3 to 4 options. I'm not sharing, it's the company's confidential data. So you will get the 3 to 4 parameters. So what in including in the prompt and responses, what you have to figure out it is the correct, and what you expect the responses is correct. So everything it's mentioned in a go form and you have to submit that. Okay, so important is that the payout, so they are the paying as a 1 hour for a 200 to 250 rupees. Okay, it's depend on the project and depend on the task. So I am working on that 200 rupees per hour. Okay, so it take hardly hour to make a one prompt and responses from using the help of the Gemini. So don't worry, everything will be teach you on videos and they will share in the link, so don't worry about that. First uh, submit the form and follow the steps, you will get the mail, and continue it, you will get the shortlet. So it's about that. So this is a good opportunity and a good company, InnoData. So it's not the Indian bet, so it's a good thing, because the lot of the Indian companies have those like a scam and they are paying and no project. So everything I figure out, so that's why I make a video about the InnoData. So apply it. Now back to the form. So if you still queries, you can come in and DM me, and please join the Telegram channel and WhatsApp too if you need more updates. Also, I'm sharing the direct Google form or other applications are out, so I directly share. I didn't make the video because it's hardly 2 to 3 minutes, so I just share on my group. So be active and join the Telegram channel. Okay, and also one thing I'm added, so please be careful. It's happening in the scam on Telegram, because I figure out the many people also it's very scary to send me money. So it's my channel and I'm very genuine person, so they are the worrying about the paying me. So I'm thinking like that those who are unknown, how you can send to clear the assessment. So it's a very big deal, so it's your decision, so take carefully and all the best. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe it for the more updates.